Hello, everyone, and welcome to Wise Mind, the ultimate destination for wisdom seekers. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very special topic, lightworkers. Have you ever wondered if you are a lightworker? Do you feel a strong connection to the light and a desire to help others? If so, you might be one of the radiant souls who are here to provide solace and healing to the world. But what exactly is a lightworker? According to Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and author, a lightworker is someone who has volunteered to come to Earth at this time of great change and transformation. They have agreed to take on a human body and experience the challenges and joys of life on this planet. Their mission is to spread light and love wherever they go, and to assist in the awakening of humanity. Lightworkers are not a new phenomenon. They have been here throughout history, in different forms and roles. They have been healers, teachers, artists, inventors, leaders, and more. They have been the ones who have brought positive changes and innovations to the world. They have also been the ones who have suffered persecution, rejection, and ridicule for their unconventional ideas and actions. Lightworkers are not here to judge or condemn anyone. They are here to offer compassion and understanding. They are here to remind us of our true nature and potential. They are here to show us the way back to our source, which is pure light and love. One of the most important qualities of a lightworker is their heart. Lightworkers have a big, open, and loving heart. They feel deeply and empathize with others. They are sensitive and intuitive. They are able to sense the emotions and energies of people, animals, plants, and even the earth itself. They are often drawn to nature and animals as they feel a kinship with them. Lightworkers also have a special gift in their hands. They have the ability to channel healing energy through their palms. They can use their hands to touch, massage, or hold someone who is in pain and bring them relief and comfort. They can also use their hands to send healing energy to someone who is far away, or to the planet as a whole. They can also use their hands to create beautiful and meaningful things, such as art, music, or crafts. If you resonate with any of these characteristics, you might be a lightworker. But how can you be sure? How can you activate and enhance your lightworker abilities? Well, the first step is to acknowledge and accept your lightworker identity. Don't be afraid or ashamed of who you are. You are a beautiful and powerful being of light, and you have a purpose and a mission on this earth. The second step is to connect with your inner light. You can do this by meditating, praying, or simply being still and quiet. You can also do this by doing things that make you happy and joyful. When you connect with your inner light, you will feel more peaceful, confident, and inspired. You will also be able to access your higher guidance and intuition, which will help you in your journey. The third step is to share your light with others. You can do this by being kind, compassionate, and generous. You can also do this by expressing your gifts and talents, and by following your passions and dreams. When you share your light with others, you will inspire and uplift them. You will also attract more light and love into your life. Lightworkers are not alone. They are part of a global network of lightworkers who are working together to raise the vibration and consciousness of the planet. They are also supported by the higher realms, such as angels, guides, and ascended masters. They are always surrounded by love and protection, and they are never forgotten or abandoned. If you are a lightworker, We want to thank you for your service and dedication. You are making a difference in the world, and we are proud of you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let us know if you are a light worker and how you express your light in the world. Until next time, stay wise and stay bright.